Gates open, they're up and racing. Henry Hill shows alertness at the start. Tarlac is running in second, is sneaking in down on the inside. Tayuman in between runners compelled to lead, and Conquistarol is running at the tail of the field as they make their first turn. With Tayuman leading the field, then Henry Hill is right behind in second, racing in third. Tarlac, Conquistarol catching the fourth spot and compelled to lead. Now running at the tail of the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the leader. Passing the 1,000-meter mark with Tayuman by half length. Henry Hill now throwing a challenge on the outside, almost catching the lead. Tarlac remains in third, Conquistarol and compelled to lead in that order. Heading towards the last 600, Henry Hill now on the outside. Tayuman fighting back once again by the rail. Tarlac joining them as they head towards the last 450. Tayuman refuses to surrender. Henry Hill still throwing a challenge on the outside. Tarlac by about 2 lengths, racing in third, Conquistarol in fourth, and compelled to lead as they swing for home. Henry Hill now takes up the running over Tayuman in second. Running on the outside third now is Conquistarol. Tarlac with the last 75 meters. Henry Hill by about 4, and finally it's Henry Hill. Second, compelled to lead Tarlac, Tayuman, and Conquistarol.
Ay, nako.
Talagang si Mr. Barry,